Hi guys, welcome back to London Travellers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the vibrant, modern Canary Wharf in the heart of London. So if you like my video, please subscribe, comment and like down below. Welcome to Canary Wharf. We start our journey at the iconic DLR Station. Opened in 1991, this futuristic driverless train system has been a key part of London's Docklands redevelopment. It's a symbol of the modernity and efficiency you'll find throughout Canary Wharf. Just a short stroll from the hustle and bustle, you'll find a tranquil spots like this beautiful water fountain. Along these quieter paths, you'll encounter stunning art installations from talented artists. Be sure to follow the art trails around Canary Wharf for more incredible pieces. Look up and you'll see the towering skyscrapers of Canary Wharf, including the iconic Cabot Place. This area, developed in the 1990s, stands as a testament to London's financial growth, with its sleek modern design and impressive heights. These office buildings offer breathtaking views of the River Thames. You'll often see boats and ferries sailing by, adding to the dynamic scene. Seasonal art installations frequently pop up here, showcasing the work of emerging artists. Take a break in Westferry Circus, a quiet park with a unique architectural feature. A tall building that bends to create a small arch. It's a peaceful spot perfect for some downtime amidst the city's bustle. And of course, download the Canary Wharf app for things to do here. Next, we arrive at the Cabot Square Fountain, a popular meeting spot and a great place to enjoy the sights and sounds of Canary Wharf. Here we are in Cabot Place. While it's often hyped as a landmark, it's actually an office building that serves a thoroughfare to the shopping centre. The lobby is grand with shiny marble walls, and people usually sit here to take a breather. When you're here, grab a meal at one of the many restaurants surrounding Cabot Place. I opted for Notes Coffee Roasters and Bar. It's posh, yet reasonably priced. Canary Wharf, being a business district, is quieter than the bustling tourist areas of the West End. Take advantage of the affordable accommodations here, and you'll find excellent links to many areas of central London. Come and take a walk with me and listen to the sights and sound of Canary Wharf. Jubilee Park is a green area in the heart of Canary Wharf. It's the perfect place to relax after a shopping spree or to enjoy your lunch and coffee in a tranquil setting. This is one of the most iconic scenes of Canary Wharf. Skyscrapers towering over the docks with the DLR tram gliding by the distance. Canary Wharf is also a shopper's paradise with several connected centres like Cabot Place, Jubilee Place and Canary Wharf itself. You'll find everything from supermarkets to high-end stores like Levi's and Zara, and even small businesses with a long history. And of course, no visit will be complete without stopping by Paul's Bakery. It even has its own cinema. Even the path to the toilets is very futuristic. For food lovers, Market Hall's Cargo is a must visit. This historic market has been transformed into a vibrant dining hall, offering a variety of food stalls. Next, we are heading to Adams Plaza Bridge, a pedestrian tunnel in Canary Wharf. It connects One Canada Square with Crossrail Place and is known for its distinctive and futuristic design. It's as if you're traveling straight into the future. The bridge was designed by Foster & Partners, a renowned architecture firm. It features a striking geometric pattern and a combination of steel and glass, creating a futuristic and visually appealing structure. The interior is illuminated with LED lights that change color, enhancing the modern aesthetic and providing a unique visual experience for pedestrians. Don't miss the Cabot Place Rooftop Garden. It's a free spot that's perfect for budget travelers, offering the same quality experience as the Sky Garden without the cost, though the view from above is different, of course. Back in the Cabot Place lobby, it's worth noting that the bar only opens Monday to Friday, giving the place a ghostly feel on weekends. Still, it's a majestic space worth a visit. And that wraps up our day in Canary Wharf. What part of Canary Wharf do you like the most? Comment below and let me know. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Till next time, and enjoy the sights and sounds of Canary Wharf.